Hey everyone, I am here today to introduce a new 30-day challenge that I'm going to be embarking on. Last year I created a challenge called the 30 Days to Spring Tidying Challenge. This was based off of Marie Kondo's The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. I went through the entire KonMari process and I posted videos every single day. Those videos are on my other channel, Authenticity. It's been a year and to this day I still think it's one of the best things I've ever done. While my condo does still get a bit messy from time to time, it's awesome to have an object and know exactly where it belongs. It's also nice to not spend a lot of time looking for things because I know where the majority of things reside. And it's also nice not to have in the back of my mind, I need to declutter. Cleaning, on the other hand, I have fallen a bit behind on. Of course, I still clean what needs to be cleaned, but I can't remember the last time I pulled out the stove, cleaned behind that, the last time I took everything off the shelves and cleaned in that way. I used to do that when decluttering, but now that I don't feel like I need to declutter anymore, my cleaning has kind of fallen by the wayside as well. So I thought rather than wait for spring cleaning, why not take advantage of the 30 days leading up to the first day of spring? Since I am usually cozying up in the condo anyway, and I don't feel as much of an urge to be outside as I do when spring hits, why not take advantage of this period of time and do a thorough deep cleaning of the condo, similar to how I did a thorough tidying or decluttering of the condo last year. It was a great way to make myself feel excited for the spring, count down those last 30 days of winter. With that in mind, I have created a 30 days to spring deep cleaning calendar. And what I'll do is I will leave a link to this calendar down below. This is personalized to my home, so I will also leave a blank calendar down below in case you want to print that out. What I did was I chunked the condo into areas, and each day I'm going to focus on deep cleaning one area of the condo. So this is different from the tidying challenge because the tidying challenge you gathered all like items together, and the goal wasn't to tidy or declutter by area, whereas the cleaning is by area because I felt like that was a more systematic approach. I'm less likely to miss certain areas. And I think I'll also feel like I'm progressing well if I start in the bedroom, say, and work my way into the living room and then to the kitchen and to the bathroom, or whatever order you feel is right for your home. And similar to the tidying challenge, I have a really tiny condo. So what I can do in 30 days might not be the same for you if you have a bigger home or more people in your home and whatnot. But this is really just a jumping off point. You don't have to do it in 30 days, but the idea is to eventually deep clean everything in your home. This year it's going to be a little bit different because I'm not going to be doing videos every day. So what I'm going to do is when I clean certain areas where I think you might be interested, for example, in previous years I've done like a big cleaning and decluttering of the wall unit where I take everything down and rearrange everything. I might film bits like that, or when I'm cleaning the bathroom and going through the cabinetry and the kitchen, I may do a time lapse. But all the areas that I think will be interesting to you, I will capture in some way and share them either on this channel or on my vlog channel. Today is what I've dubbed day 0 of the challenge. On this day, I'm really just getting my mindset in order. I'm determining my vision, I'm setting my intention, and I'm finalizing my cleaning plan. Tomorrow on day 1, I'm going to be starting in the bedroom and I'm going to be working on my side of the closet. This will involve taking everything out of the closet and giving the closet a good wipe down. I'm also going to take this time to take a look to see if I have anything I want to declutter, but I'm not going to make this a decluttering priority. It's just if anything jumps out at me. I'm also going to wipe down the walls and the floors and give everything a good dusting. I'm gonna vacuum in the area of my closet and just get all of that sorted out, do a very deep clean of just that very small subsection of the condo. And then I'm gonna move on the next day on day 2 to hubby's side, and you'll see that I've allocated 7 days to the bedroom alone, just because we have a lot of stuff and I don't want to overwhelm myself with cleaning too much in one day and get burnt out, because this will be a 30-day marathon. Starting on day 8, I'm gonna move into the living room. The living room is going to span day 8 through day 15. Then I'm gonna work on the hall closet, the hallway, the balcony. I've allocated one long day for the locker, and hubby's gonna help me with that. When I'm in the locker area, I also want to do an inventory. This is something that I had planned to do during the tidying challenge when I was decluttering, is take an inventory of the locker so we know exactly where everything is. That's one area that we're still struggling with in terms of remembering where we've put stuff, and it takes us a while to find something that we're looking for. So I'd like to do a really nice inventory for that. I just lost steam when I was doing the tidying challenge. I meant to go back to do that and I never did. Then I have laundry room on day 20. I've got 3 days allocated for the bathroom, and then I've got the next 6 days allocated for the kitchen. So that will take us to day 29. And then day 30, the last day before spring, I'm gonna do a final cleaning of all areas, maybe vacuum everything again, because by that point in time, I will have vacuumed all the areas, but dust will still accumulate. We have pets, so their fur will be everywhere, Truffle's hay will be everywhere, so I'll need to do another good vacuuming. And just from living in the condo, it gets dirty. It's not gonna stay clean for the entire 30 days, but I just wanna make sure I go through all of the sections, and then on the final day, just do a final pass, whatever I feel needs to be done to spruce up the condo for the first day of spring. So that is going to be my 30-day deep cleaning plan. If you'd like to follow along, again, the calendars are linked down below, and do let me know if you do any sort of annual deep cleaning, whether you wait for spring or whether you like to do it before the spring hits. I'd also love to hear any of your cleaning tips. I plan to find a lot of uses for this product, which is Sal Suds, and maybe I can do a video on that after. I'm super excited for the next 30 days. It's strange to feel excited for cleaning, but I do feel that way. I hope you'll follow along in my vlogs. I will link my vlog channel down below. Again, I won't be posting every day, but I will be showing bits and pieces there, as well as maybe a few things on this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and got a bit of inspiration. I will see you very soon in the next one. Until then, please take care and bye for now.